Hey everyone, and welcome to HowToMindspring. Today, we're ditching the gas pumps and embracing the future with a deep dive into the world of hybrid and electric vehicles. Whether you're a curious commuter or a car enthusiast, buckle up because we're about to break down everything you need to know about these eco-friendly rides. What are hybrids and EVs? First things first, let's clear up the confusion. Hybrid cars use a combination of electric motors and a gasoline engine, while electric vehicles, EVs, ditch the gas guzzler altogether and run solely on battery power. Think of hybrids as the bridge between gas and electric, offering improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. EVs, on the other hand, are the zero-emission champions, promising a cleaner future for our planet. Hybrid types, mild to plug-in powerhouse. Not all hybrids are created equal. You've got mild hybrids that mostly rely on the gas engine with a bit of electric assist, and then there are full hybrids like the Prius, where both engines work together seamlessly. But the real game changer is the plug-in hybrid, PHEV. These bad boys can be charged like an EV, giving you electric-only miles for your daily commute, and then switch to the gas engine for longer journeys. EVs charging up your life. Now, EVs might seem futuristic, but they're becoming increasingly accessible. You've got a range of options, from sporty coupes to spacious SUVs, all offering impressive electric-only ranges. Charging options are expanding too, with home chargers, public stations, and even super-fast chargers popping up everywhere. Benefits. Beyond the green. Let's be honest, going green feels good, but there are other perks to consider. EVs and hybrids offer smoother, quieter rides, and their regenerative braking systems even put energy back into the battery while you stop. Plus, you'll save money on gas and maintenance in the long run. Common concerns and myth-busting. Okay, now let's address the elephant in the room, range anxiety. While early EVs had limited ranges, today's models can go hundreds of miles on a single charge, covering most daily needs. And what about charging time? With fast chargers, you can top up your battery in minutes, making long trips a breeze. The future is electric, but hybrids have a role too. So is the future full of Teslas and Leafs? While EVs are definitely gaining momentum, hybrids will still be relevant for those who need longer ranges or prefer a gentler transition to electric power. Ultimately, the choice is yours, and both hybrids and EVs offer significant advantages over traditional gasoline vehicles. Ready to explore the world of electric and hybrid vehicles? Do your research, visit dealerships, and maybe even take one for a test drive. Remember, every electric mile counts towards a cleaner, greener future for all of us. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of hybrid and electric vehicles. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this knowledge with your friends and family. Let's electrify the future together. Search HowToMindspring on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, and follow us. Thanks for watching.